In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new language to your Shopify store, making it multilingual and opening doors to a wider audience. Let's dive in step by step to ensure you have everything set up smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look at the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This area is essentially the control center of your Shopify store, where you can manage everything from payments to shipping, and yes, even languages. Now that you're on the settings page, the next step is to find the Languages section. Take your time to scroll through the list, and it should become visible. Once you've located it, click on it. You are now just a few steps away from adding a new language to your store. On this Languages page, you'll see an option labeled Add Language. Clicking here allows you to open your store to speakers of different languages. Pick the language you want to add from the drop-down list. For the sake of this example, let's choose Chinese. It's a great option if you're looking to expand your reach into one of the largest markets in the world. After choosing the language, you'll be greeted with some notes. It's a good idea to read through them so you understand what adding a new language entails, but don't worry, they're quite straightforward. Once you're ready, click the Next button to proceed. At this stage, Shopify will prompt you to select a domain where you'd like to implement this new language. The choice of domain depends on your business needs or preferences, so feel free to choose any domain that suits your strategy. When you've made your selection, hit Done and let Shopify work its magic. It might take a moment to load, but once it's finished, you'll notice the new language is now part of your store's offerings. A neat new feature, isn't it? The next and almost final step is to ensure your chosen language is live on your store. Look for the three dots icon next to the newly added language. Clicking on it will show you several options, but what you need to do is click on Publish. And just like that, your work is complete. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Shopify store into a multilingual shopping experience. This change not only broadens your customer base, but also enhances the shopping experience for your international visitors. With your store now ready to cater to different languages, you're well positioned to enjoy a global reach. Keep experimenting, and don't hesitate to add more languages as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!